In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Sheets. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to leverage ChatGPT's AI capabilities directly within your spreadsheets, making tasks like content generation, data analysis, and even automation much more efficient. So let's dive in and get started. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, the first thing you want to do is open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Go ahead and take a moment to log into your Google account using your credentials. This step will bring you to your Google Workspace dashboard where you can access all your applications and files. Once you're in your dashboard, you should look for your Google Sheets. You can either pick an existing spreadsheet you're already working on or create a new one that you intend to use for this integration. The key is to have that spreadsheet open and ready because we're going to add the extension shortly. Now let's move to the next step. Take a look at the top menu bar of your Google Sheet and click on Extensions. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. Move your mouse over to the Add-ons option and another menu will pop out from there. In this submenu, you should click on Get Add-ons. This action will lead you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is a treasure trove of various tools and extensions that can really enhance your Google Sheets experience. In the Marketplace's search bar at the top, go ahead and type GPT for Sheets and hit Enter. You should see the add-on pop up in the search results right away. Click on it to open the Details page where you can learn more about the features it offers. Once you feel ready to move forward, click the Install button to kick off the installation process. You'll get a confirmation message on your screen asking you to verify that you want to proceed with the installation. At this stage, go ahead and click Continue. Now you will need to authorize the add-on to access your Google account. So when prompted, click Continue again to log in. After that, a permission screen will appear. You'll see several checkboxes detailing the access rights that the add-on requires to operate properly. It's important to understand that these permissions allow the add-on to read and modify your spreadsheet data, as well as connect with ChatGPT's API. Make sure to check all the boxes to grant the necessary access. Once that's done, click Continue to proceed further. Now the installation process will begin. This might take a moment or two, so be patient while the add-on is being configured and linked to your Google Sheets account. During this initialization, you should see a progress indicator or some kind of loading message to let you know things are in motion. When the installation completes, you'll get a notification confirming that GPT for Sheets has been successfully added to your account. You can go ahead and close this confirmation window at